Chinese scientists unveil revolutionary invisible cloak inspired by nature. This is Amna Tariq reporting and you're watching Desi TV USA. Beijing, China. In a groundbreaking development, Chinese scientists have introduced an invisible cloak that leverages advanced materials technology to mimic the camouflage techniques of chameleon and octopus. This cutting-edge innovation enables the material to blend seamlessly into its surrounding by undergoing molecular changes. The material achieves invisibility by altering its microscopic structure, enabling it to change colors and patterns to match its environment. Drawing inspiration from the nature, this process is similar to how chameleons manipulate skin pigments and octopus control chromatophores to evade predators or ambush prey. These natural adaptations, long admired by scientists, have now been replicated using state-of-the-art molecular science, revolutionizing multiple industries. The potential application of this invisible cloak are immense, with possibilities spanning several industries, military and defense. The technology could enhance stealth operation by concealing vehicles, equipments, or personnel, providing significant tactical advantages. Fashion and wearable technologies. Designer could create clothing that adapts to various environments, blending function with futuristic aesthetics. Now let's talk about entertainment and media. Dynamic costumes and set could redefine storytelling in films and virtual reality experiences. In architecture and urban design, buildings could use the material for adaptive exteriors that respond to weather or aesthetic preferences. The human fascination with invisibility. From the myth of ancient Greece to modern science fiction, invisibility has always symbolized freedom, mystery, and control. Tales of magical cloaks and advanced gadgets have captured imaginations for centuries, reflecting a universal desire to transcend visibility limitation. Now, with this specific scientific breakthrough, what was once the stuff of legend is on the brink of becoming reality. Ethical and societal concerns. While the technology potential is thrilling, it also raises significant ethical questions. Experts warn about its misuse for espionage, criminal activities, or violation of privacy as well. With great innovations come great responsibilities, says Dr. Li Jian, a lead scientist on the project. Regulation and ethical oversight will be crucial to ensure this technology is used for the benefit of society. Moreover, the possibility of its militarization could fuel global competition, increasing tension among nation policymakers and scientists must collaborate to prevent unintended consequences while fostering innovation. A testament to nature and human ingenuity. The invisibility cloak represents a remarkable future of nature-inspired innovation and technological achievement. It stands as a testament to humanity's relentless pursuit of turning imagination into reality. As the technology matures, it promises to reshape industries and redefine boundaries of what science can achieve, all while offering a glimpse into a future where invisibility is no longer confined to fantasy. You were watching Desi TV USA. For more interesting updates, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.